Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to the channel! Today I will be showing you a new method where we can earn money online by just clicking buttons. That's right, when we click buttons, we earn money. And you don't have to worry because this is beginner friendly. So even if you don't have prior skills or experience, you can absolutely do this. I know that you're gonna love today's method because this is absolutely free and this is available worldwide. Now, if you have been watching my videos for quite a while now, then you already know what I'm about to say next. But if you're new, hey, welcome to Mr. Mac Money. So what I'm about to say is that I don't want you to skip any part of this video because you might miss out on important details, and if you do, you might end up not earning anything at all. And we don't want that. So I suggest you sit back, relax, and wait until this video ends. Because as soon as this video ends, you can then start earning money online. But before we dive into the video, welcome to Mr. Mac Money, where I teach you the latest tips and tricks in making money online. Smash the subscribe button and hit the notification bells so you'll be the first to know whenever I post new strategies online. Leave this video a thumbs up and comment down below if you have questions. Now let's get right into it. So for the first step, I'm not gonna show you guys the website which will help us earn money online yet, okay? But I want you to go over to paypal.com and I want you to create an account if you don't have one yet. It's really easy to make one, so go ahead and do that. But if you don't want to use PayPal, of course there are other payment methods. You can just go over to google.com and search for online payment methods that are available in your country. Now, the reason why I want you to create a PayPal account is because PayPal is one of the most, if not the most popular payment method out here today. So wherever you go, you can actually use PayPal. Now that you're done with that, or if you have already set up a payment method for today's strategy, then let's proceed to the next step. Okay, so this one right here is the website. Turn your time into money. Working online has become easy without any previous experience using all-in-one solution provided by this website. You'll be able to get paid without even leaving your home. There's no country redirection. Instant payment requests are available, and this is available on all devices. So you can use this on your laptop or your computer, and you can also use this on your mobile phone or your tablet. What's also great about this website is that they have unlimited tasks. They provide unlimited tasks to complete every single day, and you have no limit to what you can make per day. So you can range from a couple of cents to a couple of $100 if you want to. Also, you can invite your friends. When you invite your friends, you earn money. And they give out instant payments. Reach the minimum payout threshold and request your instant payment easily. This is 24/7 available. So what does this website offer? This website offers sign-up tasks, so you can sign up or subscribe to other websites and offers, and you can earn money by doing that. Also, you can complete surveys. So they offer multiple surveys, right? They have short surveys, they have long surveys, so you can pick whatever you want. You can also upload videos here and earn money by doing so. Again, you can invite your friends, tell your friends about them, and make good revenue. You can also write about this website, write articles and review and post about this website, and you can get paid for it. So this is an all-in-one website. You can do a lot of things here and earn money easily. And if we scroll here down below, you can see that today, as I am viewing this website, there are over 900,000 members all over the world with over 7 million tasks completed and over 1,000 payments sent. Now the big question is, what is the name of this website? This is Paydera.com. Again, this website is Paydera.com. So in order for us to start earning money online, of course, we have to create an account. And in order to do that, we have to click on this create an account button on the top right-hand corner of our screen, and then we'll be redirected to this page. And then I need you to set up your account, okay? I think you already know how to do that, so I'm not gonna walk you through that step. And then once you have created your account, I need you to verify it on gmail.com and then come back here and log in. So once you've logged in, you'll be redirected to your dashboard and it will look like this. As you create an account, you will receive a sign-up bonus. That's why we have money right here, okay? And here on the right side, you can see your referral link. So if you invite your friends or your family members, just copy this link right here, send it to them, and every time they log in or every time they sign up, you will earn money, and whatever they earn, you will earn a percentage as well. So right here, let me show you what you can do with Paydera. Here on the left hand side, you can see that you can click on this video part right here. You can submit a video and you can earn money. There are also tasks. There are micro tasks and there are macro tasks. Under tasks, there's Offer Taro, AD Gateway Rewards, Personally, Kiwi Wall, One Ads, and more. Below there are surveys. So there are different kinds of surveys right here and you can click on them and explore if you like to. And then right here below promotional, you have online reviews. So all you have to do is write about this website and you will earn money. If you're enjoying the video so far, I'd really appreciate it if you go ahead and click the like button and hit subscribe. Now let's go back to the video. And again, we have referrals right here. So let me show you an example. Let me click on Offer Taro and then a bunch of tasks will then load here. So right now we are under all offers, right? But I can click on mobile apps, I can click on desktop, and I can click on surveys. So if I am going to use my mobile phone or if you're going to use your mobile phone, click on this one right here and you can see the applications that you can download. So when you download this, you can then earn money like so. As you can see, you can earn this amount as long as you download this and stay on the application for at least 30 seconds to a minute. That's all you need to do. Stay on the website or stay on the application on your mobile phone for at least 30 seconds. And the same thing goes for surveys. Click these buttons right here in order to start a survey, and once you're done, you will then earn money. After you have accumulated enough points or enough cents, just go over here to the left hand side under payments and then click on payment requests. Right here, you can request a payment and make sure you have reached the minimum payout threshold in order for you to pay out. Now, since you've reached this far, I am going to tell you guys a tip that I have been doing with Paydera, and because of this tip, I have earned more and I have earned faster compared to other people. So I'm gonna ask you guys, how are you today? Have you been eating well? Have you been drinking enough water? Have you taken care of yourself? If you haven't, I need you to do that because at the end of the day, all we have is ourselves, right? And here at Mr. McMoney, what we do is that we only help you to earn money online. But how can you do that if you're not gonna take care of your health? So I encourage you guys to go out there and, be healthy, take care of your body, go take a short walk, have time for yourself. And most importantly, this one right here, this is actually something that I never thought that would work. I go in front of the mirror and then I tell myself, I can do this. I tell myself, whatever obstacle I'm gonna face today, I can overcome it. I am great and I will make things happen. It might not work for everyone or this might not be for you, but a little positivity won't hurt anyone. Also guys, I need you to comment down below what country you come from so that in the future I can make more videos about making money online, because that's what we want to do here. We want to target on helping you guys. Alright, so here's the tip that I have been meaning to tell you guys. So if you have multiple gadgets at home, for example, you have a mobile phone, you have a tablet, and you also have a PC or a laptop, you can use both of them together to make money online. Now what I usually do is that I use my laptop and then I go to my phone and use it as well. This way we can earn double. Also, I haven't told you yet, but as you finish more tasks, the amount of the tasks given will increase. So for example, the given is like 100 cents per task or whenever you download an application. And then after you've done that, let's say you've downloaded 5 applications. When you go back to this site, when you go back here to Paydera, it'll be 200 the next time. So it'll be 200 cents and that's $2, right? So it'll be faster for you to earn money with this if you keep on doing the tasks. And if you're still doubting, here's proof of payments from different people all over the world who trust Paydera so much that they have posted their receipts here, okay? They have receipts from PayPal that they have received this amount and that they like this website. So this is how we can make money online by just clicking buttons. Very easy. And that's it! If you liked the video and if you learned something, then don't forget to smash the like button, hit subscribe, and don't forget the notification bell. As always, if you have questions, leave them in the comment section down below. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!